Video, we're going to be showing you how to edit a log if you have an incorrect level graph. For example, right here we have an 8 to 10 inches of level constantly throughout a month of data, and this is an 8-inch pipe, so that's not going to be possible. So there's potentially an error in setup, or just something along the way didn't work. So in order to get correct calculations, we're going to want to fix that. So the first step is going to be to download the log. So now you can access the CSV. The tabs we're going to be using are the vertical mount tabs and the level and the distance. So what we want to do, we want to bring this to about a level of like 1.5 to 2 inches. That's usually the safest range. So in order to do that, we're going to change this to, let's change it to 21 flat. So here we are going to select this, and we're going to make sure to make this absolute by putting two $signs there. By doing that, it'll hold that box the whole time for when we just paste values. You're going to want to select right there and then hit enter. You will get a more reasonable level over here. You'll see the same patterns, but it'll just be lower on the graph, so our calculations, if you put this into a study, will look a lot cleaner. You're then just going to want to drag this all the way down, and once you drag this all the way down, you have to reach all the way to the end, unfortunately. And once we get there, we're going to hit copy. Then an important step here is you're going to want to make sure you right click on that cell and you want to hit the paste values. Do not paste anywhere else, or else you're going to paste the formulas and it's going to cause a bunch of issues. So we're going to hit paste values. Then you're going to want to make sure you delete this column. You could just click on the letter and then hit delete. Then from there, you're going to want to save the file. We'll just keep it the same name, and we'll save it to desktop. From here, you're going to want to close that out. Then we're going to come right here to upload. Then you're going to want to find where your file is. Mine's right here. We're going to want to hit open, and it should download your file onto the cloud. And now you'll be able to view your new log, which will appear at the top. You can change the site name within the CSV, but I just left it as that. And as you can see, we have our new level graph with a more reasonable level down to 2, and our calculations will be more accurate.